Welcome back to a brand new X-PLORE video. In this video, we're taking you on a journey through Iceland by drone. We wanted to create this video to let the natural beauty of Iceland take centre stage. There's just something about the drone footage that captures the scale, the textures, and the raw power of these landscapes in a way that nothing else can. From waterfalls to volcanic landscapes, glaciers, icebergs, and beyond. Our goal is to let you sit back, relax, and really take it all in. This is Iceland through a lens that lets its incredible beauty speak for itself. Iceland is full of waterfalls, and honestly, they're one of the coolest things about the country. Whether they're huge and roaring or smaller and more peaceful, they all have a magical, unique vibe. Some are powerful, crashing down into pools below, while others just gently trickle down rocks, hidden in beautiful spots. There are so many waterfalls in Iceland, it's hard to go anywhere without spotting one. They really show off Iceland's raw, wild beauty, and it's impossible not to stop and just take it all in. Iceland's waterfalls are a must-see, formed by melting glaciers and volcanic activity. Over time, the water carves out beautiful canyons and valleys. In winter, some falls freeze, while in the warmer months, they're surrounded by lush greenery. With so many waterfalls across the country, they showcase Iceland's ever-changing and powerful natural beauty. So how many waterfalls are there in Iceland? Well, did you know there's over 10,000 beautiful waterfalls hidden in this mysterious landscape? Iceland's volcanic landscapes are unreal. The country sits on the mid-Atlantic range where two tectonic plates meet, so it's one of the most active places on the planet. You'll see everything from craters and lava fields to steaming geysers and hot springs. There are black sand beaches formed by ancient lava, massive volcanic mountains, and even active volcanoes that could erupt at any time. These landscapes show just how powerful and alive the Earth is beneath the surface, making Iceland a dream destination for anyone who loves nature's raw beauty. Iceland's glaciers are truly breathtaking, covering about 10% of the country. These glaciers shape the landscape, carving out valleys and creating stunning ice caves. Some glaciers flow into the sea, breaking off into massive icebergs. The glaciers also feed many of Iceland's rivers, providing water throughout the year. Walking on these glaciers, exploring ice caves and crevices offer a surreal experience, all available in Iceland. These glaciers are not just beautiful, they're an essential part of Iceland's landscape and history. Iceland is truly a mystical and magical place, filled with countless hidden wonders. From eerie plane wrecks on black sand beaches to shipwrecks scattered along its shores, the country's history is woven into its landscapes. You'll find charming old churches, reminders of the country's rich past, and a variety of landscapes that range from dramatic canyons to steaming hot springs. Every corner of Iceland offers something unique, whether it's the otherworldly beauty of its volcanic fields or the peaceful serenity of its remote valleys. It's a place where nature and history come together in the most incredible way, making it feel like an adventure like no other. Thank you so much for joining us in this Iceland by drone video. I hope you enjoyed seeing Iceland from this unique perspective. It's such a special place and there's so much to discover in Iceland. If you loved the views, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know your favourite moment in the comments. There's plenty more adventuring coming your way, so stick around. Until next week, keep exploring and I'll see you in the next one.